안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 일미입니다. Welcome to Bia's Korean class. For today's lesson, I will going to teach you top 20 formal Korean phrases that you can use in your daily life in South Korea. Number 1 is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요 means hello in formal way that you can use to people older than you. And it usually goes with bowing. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. And 안녕 is an informal way. And you can use it to your friend or younger than you. 안녕. 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 Number 2 is 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다 is the most polite form for asking forgiveness in Korean. And of course, don't forget the bowing. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Number 3 is 감사합니다. 감사합니다 is thank you in Korean. But of course, don't forget to bow. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Number 4 is 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요 means it's fine or no thanks. You can use 괜찮아요 to someone who says sorry to you or to refuse someone in a polite way. For example, 죄송합니다. 아니요, 괜찮아요. Or 커피 드릴까요? 아니요, 괜찮아요. Number 5 is 수고하셨습니다. 수고하셨습니다. Or thank you for your effort. Thank you for your hard work. Number 6 is 네. 네. 네 means yes. Number 7 is 아니요. 아니요. 아니요 means no. Number 8 is 왜요. 왜요. 왜요 means why. 왜요? Number 9 is 여보세요. 여보세요 means hello when you pick up the phone. 여보세요? 여보세요? Number 10 is juseyo. juseyo. juseyo means please give. For example, 커피 주세요. 커피 주세요. It means please give me a coffee. Number 11 is 어디에요. 어디에요. 어디에요 means where is. For example, 지하철역이 어디예요? 지하철역이 어디예요? Where is the subway station? Number 12 is 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? Number 13 is 전화번호 뭐예요? 전화번호 뭐예요? What is your phone number? Number 14 is 어떻게 지내세요? 어떻게 지내세요? How are you? Or how are you doing? For example, 오랜만이에요. 어떻게 지내세요? It's been a long time. How are you doing? How are you? Number 15 is 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. It means nice to meet you. Number 16 is 다시 한번 말해주세요. 다시 한번 말해주세요. Please say that one more time. Number 17 is 적어주세요. 적어주세요. Please write it down. Number 18 is 모르겠습니다. 모르겠습니다 or 몰라요. 몰라요. It means I don't know. Number 19 is Jamsiman, gidalyeojuseyo. Jamsiman, gidalyeojuseyo. Wait a moment, please. And the last one is daeume bwayo. Daeume bwayo means see you next time. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And to those who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on all my uploads. And I will going to upload another Korean lesson video next time. So see you next time. Daeume bwayo.